Hidden beneath the surface of a serene lake in Bidar, Karnataka, lies a mystical and sacred site, the underwater temple of Lord Narasimha. Known as Narasimha Jhira Cave Temple, this unique pilgrimage destination is tucked inside a hill and partially submerged, creating a powerful spiritual and natural experience for devotees. To reach the sanctum, visitors wade through a tunnel filled with waist-deep water flowing from a natural spring. As they move forward, chanting the name of Lord Narasimha, the atmosphere becomes deeply meditative. At the end of the cave rests the ancient idol of Lord Narasimha, an incarnation of Vishnu known for his fierce protection of Dharma. The temple not only offers an awe-inspiring encounter with divine energy, but also symbolizes the journey inward, through water, darkness, and faith, to reach light and truth. This sacred site is a testament to India's spiritual heritage and the enduring devotion of its people. Bidar, a historic city in Karnataka, is a hidden gem that weaves together royal legacy and spiritual depth. Gurudwara Nanak Jhira Sahib in Bidar, Karnataka, stands as a beacon of faith, humility, and divine grace. It commemorates the visit of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the first Sikh guru, during his southern journey in the early 16th century. According to Sikh tradition, when Guru Nanak arrived in Bidar, he witnessed the suffering of the locals due to water scarcity. Moved by compassion, he struck the ground with his wooden sandal, and a fresh water spring miraculously emerged. This sacred spring, known as Jhira, still flows today and is considered a symbol of divine mercy. The Gurudwara built around this spring is not only an architectural marvel with its white domes and peaceful surroundings, but also a place of deep spiritual resonance. Pilgrims from all over India and abroad visit to offer prayers, take a dip in the Amrit Kund, and receive langar, the free community meal served with love and equality. Gurudwara Nanak Jhira Sahib reflects Guru Nanak's message of universal brotherhood, selfless service, and oneness of humanity. It is a sanctuary where history, devotion, and divine energy converge. At the heart of the city stands the majestic Bidar Fort, one of South India's most formidable fortresses. Built in the 15th century by Sultan Ahmad Shah Bahmani, this fort is a stunning example of Persian-influenced Indo-Islamic architecture. Its massive gateways, intricate carvings, and strategically designed moats echo the grandeur of a bygone era. Walking through its ancient corridors is like stepping back in time to the days of the Bahmani Sultanate. But Bidar's legacy doesn't stop at its walls. It runs deeper, quite literally. Just a short distance away lies the underwater Narasimha Jhira Cave Temple, a truly unique spiritual site. To reach the deity, devotees must wade through a cave filled with flowing water, symbolizing a journey of faith and purification. The shrine is dedicated to Lord Narasimha, the fierce and protective avatar of Vishnu, and offers an unforgettable spiritual experience. Together, the Bidar Fort and the Narasimha Cave Temple capture the soul of Bidar, a city where history, architecture, and divinity meet.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.